Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and pausing all background activity. Unplug the console and wait 10 to 15 minutes so components cool. While it cools, move the Xbox to an open area and clear at least 4-6 inches of clearance around vents. Make sure you have a flat, soft surface and small tools ready. Once done, remove the external covers or panels per model instructions. Do this carefully so you can access fans and vents without forcing anything or losing screws. Now you clean. Use short bursts of compressed air to dislodge dust from intake grills and exhaust vents. Keep the can upright to avoid moisture. Gently hold the fan blades so they don't spin and brush away stubborn dust with a soft anti-static brush. Inspect the heat sink and surrounding area for compacted debris and check fan bearings for wobble. If thermal paste looks dry or cracked, plan to replace it. This improves heat transfer and lowers operating temperatures significantly. Reassemble the Xbox carefully and restore power. Then run a 20 to 30-minute gameplay or benchmark session to verify temperatures. Make sure vents are unobstructed and the console orientation maximizes airflow. Add an external cooling fan or elevate the chassis if needed. If temperatures remain high, recheck thermal paste application. Clean surfaces and apply a thin, even layer, or replace a noisy or failing fan. If problems continue despite these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.